All right, Austin FC plays its first match in Major League Soccer tomorrow out in L.A. We've got Stu Holden, Fox Soccer lead game analyst, to talk more about the match and about the season in general. Stu, thank you so much for your time.
Good morning. Good morning. I'm a Houston guy, so Austin and Texas is close to my heart. You know, I cannot wait to have Austin a part of MLS here.
Yeah, I know I got some Houston ties as well. I know your time in Houston with the Dynamo and growing up in the city and everything. And now we've got, of course, Austin, a city that's so excited for its soccer and been waiting for this day for so long. So many people are pumped up that it is finally here to take on LA in the season opener.
Yeah, and you should be excited. You know, this is an exciting time to be a soccer fan in this country, and also in Texas now. You're going to have with Dallas and Houston and Austin creating this kind of rivalry. But look, the work that has been done behind the scenes by some really important people in Austin to get this and make this happen, to bring pro sports to the city, I think it's going to be an incredible moment. Also, when you open that stadium this summer in that Texas heat. But, you know, this is a team that's going to compete on year one. It's in a league that is just exploding right now, up to 27 teams. And I think a team that's going to be competitive in year one. So you have a lot to be excited about. Well,
I was just going to ask you about that as personally, someone who knows maybe some other sports more than soccer. When you hear expansion franchise, you think, okay, that's a long road ahead to get to being competitive. You're saying that may not necessarily be the case here for Austin.
Yeah, I don't want to jump at you right now and say that Austin's going to win MLS Cup in year one, but I would say the league is designed and given the tools to teams in their first year to be able to compete. And I look at the roster and the technical staff that has been put together by the ownership group in Austin, and there's a team on the field that I think can cause some trouble in this league. You have some really experienced veterans mixed with some young, exciting, attacking players that are going to score goals and get fans on the edge of their seat. So if you're thinking that, okay, this is year one, we're just going to get run over, don't think that way. I think you should have high expectations for this team, that they're going to, you know, get you excited about them and score a number of goals this year.
Well, let's talk about this first match specifically, taking on LA. How do you break that one down?
Yeah, guess what? Your first game in the league in Major League Soccer, you're taking on one of the best teams in the league in LAFC. So I guess in many ways you get the measuring stick in the first game, and you get to see where you really stack up against a team that 2 years ago won their Supporters Shield. They have one of the best players in the league in Carlos Vela, who's so dangerous and scored so many goals for the Mexican national team as well. So I think Josh Wolf, the coach for Austin, will be thinking, well, thanks, guys, for this start, but also telling his team, hey, let's go there. Let's surprise some people. Let's announce to the league that we're here and we're going to compete. And so what an incredible opportunity in one of the beautiful new stadiums in Major League Soccer out here in Los Angeles and Banc of California Stadium.
Very cool. Of course, again, that's just one of several matches Fox has to start things off. Just league-wide, Stu, how would you break things down? Who do you really expect to be some of the top teams this season?
Yeah, well, you know, the thing I'm most excited about, honestly, is to have fans back in the stands. Supporters culture in Major League Soccer is really makes MLS what it is. And you have some really unique. I mean, I saw an Austin behind closed doors scrimmage match where it looked like there were 1,000 fans for Austin FC already at the game. So I know that fans are excited to get back out there and really show their enthusiasm. You're going to have the usual teams: LAFC, Seattle Sounders, Columbus Crew from the East Coast, the defending champs, and then teams like the Philadelphia Union as well that are kind of on the up. So Austin FC, we hope to see them put their mark on this league. I cannot wait to call this game this weekend and really see what they're made of and see if they can be a surprise team this year.
Yeah, well, we appreciate the preview. We look forward to your call and look forward to the season coming up. Stu Holden, Fox lead game analyst. Stu, thank you so much for your time. We appreciate it.
Thanks, guys. Have a great morning.
You too.